Every finger is connected with 2 organs. Japanese methods for curing in 5 minutes. Did you know that the Japanese people have an excellent and extremely effective healing technique, which will help you treat and cure many different ailments, and the best thing about this healing technique is that it will take only 5 minutes of your time. The Japanese experts say that every finger is connected to 2 body organs. This powerful technique is also known by the name Jinshinjutsu. The Jinshinjutsu technique is an ancient type of Japanese art, which will help you in healing and balancing emotions because of the stimulation of certain points on the body, that actually balance all energy that is very significant for physical and emotional health of a certain person. This powerful technique will help you affect certain body organs by holding a finger just for 3 to 5 minutes. While doing this you should breathe deeply and afterwards you should massage the fingers on both hands. This whole procedure lasts for around 3 minutes. Here is an explanation of the entire scheme that will show all the connection between the fingers and the body organs. 1. Thumb. Organs, stomach and spleen. Word. Emotions, anxiety and depression. Most common symptoms, skin problems, stomach pain, anxiety, headaches, etc. 2. Index finger. Organs, urinary bladder and kidneys. Emotions, fear, confusion, discontent. Most common symptoms, back pain, muscle and tooth pain, digestion problems, etc. 3. Middle finger. Organs, yoki, bitter and liver. Emotions, rage, anger and indetermination. Most common symptoms, menstrual pain, migraines, headaches especially in the frontal area, tiredness, problems with circulation. 4. Ring finger. Organs, large intestine and lungs. Emotions, sadness, fear, negativity. Most common symptoms, asthma and other respiratory problems, digestion problems, skin conditions. 5. Pinky. Organs, small intestine and heart. Emotions, anxiety and lack of self-confidence. Most common symptoms, throat pain, heart disease, problems with your bones, etc.